All right, let's talk about something really important. If you're putting in a wood stove or a fireplace, you know the chimney is one of the biggest decisions you'll make. I mean, safety's everything, right? But let's be real, so is the budget. So how do you find that sweet spot without cutting a dangerous corner?
And this is the question, isn't it? It's the classic dilemma. You've got this absolute need for safety, for peace of mind, for you and your family. But on the other hand, project costs are real and they add up fast. It always feels like you're forced to pick one over the other. But what if you don't have to? Let's dig into that.
You see, for a long time, there's been this idea of the chimney compromise. It's this belief that if you want the absolute best, the highest level of safety certification, you just have to accept that it comes with a massive price tag. No questions asked.
And you know, I get it. We scrutinize every single line item in a build or a remodel. But a chimney? Well, that's a whole different ballgame. This isn't like picking out a faucet or a paint color. We're talking about a system that's built to handle incredibly hot gases and, yeah, even a potential fire. There is zero room for error here. It's truly non-negotiable.
Okay, so if we all agree we can't compromise on safety, how do we make a choice that's smart and also good for our wallet? Well, I think we can boil it all down to 3 key pillars. Think of it like a simple scorecard you can use for any chimney system out there. So pillar number 1, and this is the big one, safety certification. You need to look for this label right here, UL 103HT. That HT is so important. It stands for high temperature. It's proof that the chimney has been tested to withstand the crazy high heat of a chimney fire. We're talking 2100 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the gold standard. It's your absolute must-have. And here it is, your scorecard. It's super simple. Number 1, is it UL 103HT certified? Yes or no? Number 2, what's the warranty look like? A good warranty tells you the company stands behind its product. And number 3, of course, what's the final price? With these 3 questions, we can compare any 2 systems, apples to apples.
So let's put this scorecard to the test right now. We're going to do a little head-to-head comparison between the big major brands you see in retail stores and a direct from the producer model using Flue-pipes.com as our example.
And boom, right away we hit the most important point. When it comes to safety certification, it's a tie. It's a level playing field. Both the major retail brands and the system from Flue-pipes.com meet that critical UL 103HT gold standard. So, let's be crystal clear. No compromise is being made on safety with either choice. Okay, now let's look at the full scorecard. Certification, it's a tie. They both pass. Warranty, pretty standard across the board, so that's a tie too. But the price? Whoa. This is where the story takes a sharp turn. The major brands come with a standard retail price, but Flue-pipes.com has a direct from producer price. And this is the question that probably just popped into your head, right? If the safety is the same, if the quality is the same, if the warranty is the same, how on earth can there be such a huge difference in price? What are you actually paying for?
This is where we get to the heart of it. The price difference, it's not actually about the product itself, it's about the journey that product takes to get to your doorstep. And understanding this why is the key to unlocking some serious savings. So here's the old school traditional retail model. The producer makes the chimney pipe, then they sell it to a distributor. The distributor adds their markup and sells it to a retail store. The retailer then adds their markup, and finally, you, the customer, buy it. Every one of those steps, every single middleman in that chain adds cost. That cost just keeps getting passed down the line until it's baked right into the final price you pay. So you're not paying more for a better pipe, you're paying more for the process.
Now look at this. This is the direct model. It's so much simpler. The producer makes the system and it ships directly to you, the customer. That's it. 1, 2. Simple, clean, and efficient.
And this quote from the source material just says it all perfectly. By eliminating middleman markup, all those extra costs from the old supply chain just disappear. And those savings get passed directly to you. You're getting the exact same certified quality for a lot less money. Which brings us right back to where we started, that whole question of safety versus savings. You know what? It turns out it was a false choice the whole time. You absolutely can have the gold standard in safety, that crucial UL 103HT certification, without having to pay that premium price that just covers a bloated distribution network.
So I'll leave you with this one question to think about, not just for a chimney, but for your next big project. Ask yourself, are you paying for the product itself, or are you paying for the process it took to get to you? Because the answer could save you a whole lot of money.